What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
All right, so y'all, I'm gonna use a small flower board. I am putting zip ties in right now. That's what holds the mesh in. So I'm loading from the top, coming around the back, and going back in. And just pulling it a little tight, okay? So I've already done that all the way around the outside. I went around the second row, and I'm just gonna continue to get all of these on there. Okay, last time I did the center and I didn't like it. And then last time I had to go back and like finagle extra ties in the center. So this time we're just gonna put extra zip ties in the center. So if you see the center right here, see how we're putting one on every little square? On the center, I'm gonna go ahead and put one connecting these two as well. Is it a good idea? I don't know. But I know what wasn't a good idea. Have to get a zip tie in there after we were done last time. Not a good idea. So when I counted, I found that we have 16 on the outside, 8 on the second ring, 8 on the third ring, and then 8 if we're going to put something in every one of the center ones. So that's 40. So I'm going to use Mardi Gras mesh. I have no idea what this is going to look like, friends, or if it's even going to work. We might get like just somewhere in there and be like, well, let's start over. What you need to know is that there are hundreds of ways that you can make these petals, and I know one of them. And that one is not the one that we're going to do. I want to take my normal ruffle where we curl up one in nice and tight, because y'all, I know there's a bunch of tricks on how to cut this mesh so it doesn't fray, but I don't do any of them. So I want to curl up my mesh like I normally would. And I'm going to make my normal ruffle right in the center. Then I'm just going to fold it in half. And that's going to be our petal. All right. So, y'all, all of our sides that would fray, we got it stashed away. And we're going to see what happens. The only thing I know for sure is that I need some mesh sticking out this end. Y'all, it's going to be fine. Look at that. All right, so look, curled my edges. Y'all ready for this? Let's cut all our mesh and just see what happens. All right. Ruffle. Okay, now one thing that I would tell you guys is this could get janky real fast if you don't pull the same amount of mesh through here. So like if this one was pulled out over here and that one ruffle was like sticking janky out. So find a way that's easy for you to be able to figure out if your mesh is about the same length pulled in. Y'all, so basically I'm treating this the same way that we treat our ribbon tails, right? So y'all, we're just rolling our ends, cruffling it, and then the same little technique that I do with my ribbons, where I just wrap them around my finger. Y'all, I'm pulling mine almost into the next one. Y'all, look how nice and full that is. Y'all, I am going to take money on those pliers and just quickly go around the outside and make sure they're all nice and tight. All right, one row down. Y'all, so I do agree that you lose all of the green in this mesh because the green is in the two centers. So it's hidden every time. It's going to look like an LSU wreath and not a Mardi Gras wreath. Y'all, okay, we need to celebrate. We finished a round. Time to tighten. Nip and tuck, nip and tuck. That's what we're doing around here. Well, we're tucking and nipping. That doesn't sound like a good time. Now we got to do these right here in the center. All right, let's tighten these first. This is the one that matches the best. So this is the one I'm going with. All right. Done. Y'all, I actually do like the ruffles on it. I think I'm gonna make another one with a single color. Yeah, it does not look like a flower at all. But I knew that it wouldn't. All right. That's it, y'all. Good night.